G'day! Lego Jurassic World, set 76945, the Atrociraptor dinosaur bike chase. Says we got Atrociraptor, Owen, Grady, and Rainn Delacourt. I think I got this for $11, but it's been so long ago that it's been sitting in the backlog and I've forgotten all about it. That's the front, that's the back. Let's crack it open. I don't care about the Jurassic World movies, but the cover art says it's got tiny baby dinosaurs. So here's hoping they're inside as well. Straight out of the box, we've got a Atrociraptor without the bottom jaw. Looks like that's it. 2 bags, the instruction book, and these are free floating. Let's put it together. A fairly quick build, takes less than an hour. On the box you get Rainn Delacourt with a tranquilizer and clothes that go all the way down. See a little tattoo on his face. It's also on the reverse. You get another Pratt, this one being Owen Grady, with a bit of a loose top, sunburns, pants with a belt, main face ready for action. The main dinosaur you get is the Atrociraptor. Tail here's got some flex to it. It's got straight. The jaw pops open. Must have included a bonus jaw, probably in case this ever busts off. They're not explicitly mentioned, but these baby velociraptors are also in the mix. So you get the green and the orange version. Right now they're in a little pen, spinning around. This doesn't come fully caged off, but if you can buy some of these rails, you can just make a little enclosure for yourself. There's a doohickey at the back, allow you to spin the little play area, or at least whatever this area is. Maybe they're chasing each other's tails. Lift the roof on this and you can see the mosquito trapped in amber. Some other amber on the side here. Let's put it back on the ledge. This is more of a play area. The arc doesn't join at the top here because it falls apart. Crashing through like an Atrociraptor. Bam! You're gonna walk through however you see fit. They've included a skull in this little crate here. The back doesn't really have much to look at. It's kind of sleek and plain, but that's not really your focus because this is more of a play set. So you're going to go moving things around. So while the Atrociraptor looks cool and takes up a lot of space, this motorbike's got some nice chunky wheels in the back so it can stand upright on its own. And you can even go through. See you next time on Animaniacs.